because we've all grown up together, we've all had children together, we've all had families. As a business, we grow as people. My name's Phil Dascombe. I've been at Kloeber now for 15 plus years, just over. Now currently technical director. More recently I've moved into an operational role and I cover the installations, aftercare and warehousing as well. I would describe Kloeber as being a very inclusive company. We are essentially one big family of people who all try and help one another out. I mean, I've grown with the business and a lot of people at Kloeber have also been here for a very long time. So it's actually been quite a nice journey because we've all grown up together, we've all had children together, we've all had families. So, we, as a business, we grow as people. And, and I've been on that journey for 16 years. So that's really what keeps me. A lot of what I do impacts the customer. Originally, I started with Kloeber in the sales department, visiting projects, really understanding what people needed. Every touch point for me wants to be consistent. That's what I strive for. Consistency, that our approach is prompt, that we are efficient in what we do, we're concise with our information, and we deliver when we say we're going to deliver. The interruption for somebody's home can be quite a lot. It can be stressful. There's no doubt about that whatsoever. For most people, any kind of building work across their home can bring a level of stress. We understand that dealing with two companies instead of one is extremely difficult. So what we do is we do the hard work in procurement and manufacturing so that we can contract manage the whole job and deliver everything in one package so that it minimises the amount of companies that you have to deal with to get the products that you so wish. There's quite a few glazing companies out there, probably very few people in the industry that do the array of products that we do. Kloeber's always specialised in supplying materials in timber, aluminium and aluminium clad. The reason for that is we understand that for many projects, one material doesn't fit the bill for everything. We want you to have options. And the reason for that, one facade of your property might suit a certain type of material. You might want a timber front door, but you may want aluminium everywhere else.